Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to sign up for a free trial on Max so that you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies without paying right away. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up a browser and go to max.com. After you do so and hit enter, and you will be directly taken to their tab right here, which is this one right here. After that, you can just go over and log in if you're not logged in and try it out. But the thing you need to remember is Max does not always offer free trials on their website right now. Also, we do not have it. So what you need to do is you need to appear through their partners like Amazon Prime Video channels, Hulu, YouTube TV, etc. So let's head over to Amazon Prime for this one right here. You can just go over and search for Amazon and hit enter. And you can go over to amazon.com/channels also directly. So let me just show you, and you can type in and hit enter and go over to this one right here. After that, you will be taken to this particular page. You can search for Max here if that is available. And from here, you can just go over and look out for the subscription for Max. For example, for Prime Video, we have here, you can also look out for Max and select the option for starting your 7-day free trial or even going ahead with any other free trial available. And you can just go ahead and look out for their plans that are available. And you can just go on with the process of purchasing it. You can confirm your Amazon account and the payment method, and you can even cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid the charges. You can similarly follow the same process for other partner of Max for that, such as YouTube TV or Hulu. And once you confirm it up, after you sign up one of those platforms, you can just go and open up Max once again, and you should be finding the Max application being used with your partner accounts such as Amazon, etc., and you can start watching. And that's it. That's how you can sign up for a free trial on Max and start watching right now. So if this video helped, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment below.